Alright, YouTube. Today we're working on a Chevy Aveo. We are going to be changing out the purge valve solenoid thing. So that piece is actually back behind here underneath it. It's very hard and difficult to see from the top. But if we crawl underneath it here, we could see it pretty well from the bottom. Let me turn the flashlight on here. Hold on. Sorry about that, couldn't get the light to work on my phone here. But that is it right there. It is. This piece right there is what we're changing out. So it's just two clips and we gotta take it off the bracket. Okay, so how you get these clips off is you just simply push down on this piece right there, push down right there, and then you just, pull it out.